China's long-term prospects are very exciting. The country has a 40-year track record of success in terms of reforming and developing its economy. It's moving beyond exports and real estate and towards domestic consumption as well as an innovation-led growth, and that's very exciting. So China is already a global innovation hub across a range of products, and that focus on quality growth rather than just quantity growth will be very important to laying the foundations for the country's long-term success, but also the growth of its exports to the rest of the world. And its innovative successes, particularly in the clean tech sector, will be very important to tackling some of the biggest challenges of our time, and that China matters to the global economy. It is a source of global growth. It is a source of global innovation. That isn't about to change. We remain very collaborative. We need to find or develop bridges between China and the rest of the world to ensure that exchange of innovation continues.